So it seems like Internet Computer ICP seems to be in this short-term downtrend once again by continuously getting rejected at this resistance trend line. However, do not be fooled though, because I recently realized something massive for the Internet Computer ICP price in the daily time frame, which everybody is completely overlooking right now. So you definitely would not want to miss this update video I have right now for the Internet Computer ICP price. And to begin, we are starting off inside the daily time frame charts, and then later on in the video we will move to the longer time frames to discuss my long-term outlook. But to give you an update on what is going on right now for ICP in the daily time frame, you guys can see it appears that we're still inside of this short-term downtrend by continuously getting rejected by this resistance trend line. Whenever we do have a rally towards the upside, the price ends up getting rejected, and therefore we continue this downtrend, as you guys can see. But do not be fooled by this bearish price action though, because I just realized something massive for the ICP price, which I will show to you right now in today's video. So yeah, as you guys can see, we've got some big news, because it appears that the Internet Computer ICP price is getting compressed. It is getting squeezed between support and between resistance. Take a closer look. The price is indeed being compressed between support and resistance. And if you take a look at the price history right here, the price action was still volatile at this part right here. But as we move closer towards the apex right here, the price isn't as volatile as it used to be. Again, because of the compression between support and between resistance. Now, why is this really big news for ICP? Take a look at this, because if we take a look at other cryptocurrencies like Chainlink, you guys can see it has a similar setup as well. In the daily time frame, we are getting compressed between support and between resistance. The price is getting rejected at this trend line whenever we do have a rally towards the upside, which is continuing this downtrend. But take a look at this. We had high volatility right here, but as we move closer towards the apex, the price doesn't move that much due to the compression. And due to the pressure which is building up for Chainlink, we have seen a breakout occur right after that. So once you do see that break above this trend line, we saw a massive pump towards the upside. That is due to the pressure that has built up for the price due to this compression we're talking about. Same thing for Jasmy coin. If you take a look right now at Jasmy coin, we have also spotted this compression between support and between resistance. As you guys can see, the price was way more volatile over here compared to over here due to the price being compressed between support and between resistance, and that pressure was building up. And then once we saw that breakout above this trend line right here, we saw the price continue to move forward towards the upside. So this is looking like it's looking very, very similar to the setup we have right now for ICP. You can see in ICP we are forming the exact same setup, and I believe that there's a chance we could end up in the exact same outcome. So the condition is, if we do see ICP in the next couple of days successfully break above this resistance trend line and flip it to support, that would be very, very massive news, because if we do hold it as support, we could continue moving towards the next target at $15.5, which from the price we're at right now, that would be about a 26% pump towards the upside. And if we manage to break above this resistance as well, that would be very, very bullish, because you could see more bullish price action moving forward. So that is for the daily time frame. But however, the only concern I have right now, is if we do see ICP break below $10.4, that could end up really badly, however, because this is a critical support level, and breaking below $10.4 means that we could see the price move further towards the downside to the next target at around $8.6. So yeah, as long as we're holding this support zone right here, there is nothing to worry about, and I would not be concerned. But again, it looks like ICP is forming the same exact setup as we have did for Link and Jasmy. So look out for this one. Now let's talk about the longer time frames and discuss my long-term outlook. for ICP. So far my view has not changed in the long term. I'm expecting that once Bitcoin starts to recover and put in higher highs and higher lows, I believe that we're going to be seeing a recovery for altcoins as well, and that includes ICP. And my targets remain the same for Internet Computer ICP. In the next couple of weeks, I'm expecting ICP to smash our $23 target, which is our target in the short term. And then right after that, we have $36 as the next target right here, and then followed by $54 and then $81 as our conservative bull run target. I'm also seeing ICP smash $100 in this bull run. But again, as the bull run continues, I'll be adjusting my targets respectively. But here are the targets if you may be wondering. So everything is looking good so far and there's nothing to worry about. The price action for ICP in the long term looks completely healthy. And we are still holding this critical support zone. So that is looking good for ICP. And as long as we're holding this support zone right here, there's nothing to worry about essentially. So that is good news to you if you are holding ICP in your portfolio. And if you guys would like to trade ICP and other altcoins, be sure to trade them on Blowfin. And once you do trade and make a deposit, you will get a chance to win bonuses and even a Rolex. So be sure to do so by checking my links in the description. And also, I would like to tell you guys we're approaching one of the biggest bull runs of our life. And if you are serious about making life-changing wealth in this market, you can no longer do this alone. You need a group of people. You need a network of people who would supply you with value, who would supply you with information, and who would help you spot opportunities in this market. And that can only be accessed in my private networking group over in Discord. This is called the Swan Group, where I release weekly market insights and updates. The reason why our members are growing rapidly is because all we do is provide value with one another and help each other elevate in this market. So if you're not in this group yet, you are missing out. So be sure to join through the link in the description and act now.